Hello everyone, this is the 3D print donation for Foxie's auction. Got a breeder box with the sponges and a rigid line for the just running air. Alright, we've got a angel breeder cone, pleco cave, smaller pleco cave. I don't know if I can do this one one-handed. Alright. One hand and a leg. Alright. And we have a fry hide, which also works for helping to balance the breeder box should you need to shift weight around. Gives the fry a spot to hide to and be more comfortable. Got a couple floating mop rings. I like the way they turned out. They've been working really good for the rads. Got another fry hide. And an Episto cave. Now, there are two of these little fry hides too, so you can use one in your tank, one in a box. The breeding cone also works as a decent hide. But yeah, that's Z giveaway, and this is the stuff that we designed on onTinker Me Cad. Thanks for watching.